Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way in which you can make a portfolio website using WIX. So to start with, you first want to head over to the WIX website, which is wix.com. And from there you can create an account if you don't have one already, or just sign in with Gmail if that's easier. So once you are logged in, you'll be brought to a page like this on their dashboard. And what we want to do is just go up to the top left where it says My Site. And then from there we just want to create a new site. So after that's done loading, it will ask you what kind of website you're creating. So since we're making a portfolio, we're just going to say portfolio. Select this option and select next. Now next up, it will ask you what you want to call your website. So you can call it whatever you want, but I'm just going to call it my website because I'm not actually creating a portfolio. So after that, just click next to get brought to the next step. And then from here, we don't really need to add any of this stuff yet. I'm just going to skip this step. And once we get to here, it will say start setting up your website, and it will give you two options. You can either begin with a template or you can get a custom built site. So I'm going to begin with a template, so choose the first option. And then as you can see here, it will show you portfolio website templates. Now you can either go through all of these and choose one that you like, or you can just click all templates to see all of them. And you can just scroll through until you see something you like. So let's just say as a photographer, this one looks really good and it really catches your eye. So we can select this template and look at it. We can click around the site and see what it's like. So if this is something we like and we want to use, we can go up to the top right corner where it says edit this site and go ahead and click on that. Just got to wait a few minutes for this to load here, and then after it is done, it will look like this, and we're now ready to edit our WIX site. So automatically this will pop up. It says let AI write your site content, launch your websites faster using AI, answer a few questions to quickly create unique text for your site. So if you're not actually sure exactly how you should be wording things and making it sound professional, you can use this AI tool to really help you out. So this could be worth a shot, but for now I'm just going to exit out of it. So as you can see here, you can add all these different things for the site, and you can also hover over something and quick edit to edit it. Since it says Charlie Knox, I'm guessing your name isn't Charlie Knox, so you just want to rename this to your name and change the logo. You can basically just go through the site and customize it exactly how you want and get it to match how you want your portfolio to look. So then once you're done, you can go ahead and click publish, and you can either get a free WIX domain, or if you want it to look a bit more professional, you can buy your own domain and then connect it with this option. So then once you've completed all those steps, you've connected your domain, you will then have your website, you'll then have your portfolio website live, and potential clients can come to your site and learn a bit about you and what you do, and hopefully you can get some business with this site. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment down below to say that helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.